Now let's take the brand voice that we just created and find out what our ideal client avatar is by using the custom GPT called Ideal Client. And it says right here, you want to upload your brand voice and you want to enter your brand name. So I'm just going to put in here AskDotty, and I'm going to upload what we just created with the brand voice custom GPT, and we'll see what it comes up with. So it's looking at what I uploaded, and it's got a few more questions. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these questions. Now that we've answered those questions, it's going to go ahead and give us an ideal client avatar. And it did throw it into Canvas, which I like. Canvas is a technology that ChatGPT uses. It's basically like a document. So if there's something in here that you don't like or you want to add to, you can edit it right here. And when you're all done, you have the actual document ready to go. You can also, using Canvas, you can highlight certain sections and then ask ChatGPT to enhance it in a certain way or remove something or add something or do, whatever your prompt may be, and it will affect just that piece of the document. Okay, and they actually gave him a name. So we've got Linda, life coach, 55. Read all through this. She's self-employed. She's got tech struggles. Her goals is to grow her online practice, learning preferences, pain points, and how AskDotty helps. And then we got another one, Susan, who's 60. Go through all of this. They're pretty good for the customer avatars. And you can take it from here and again, based on your experience and knowledge of who it is that you serve, add to it and create a client avatar document that you will be using in other pieces of your content moving forward. So just tweak it however you want, save it, and you will be using this in the future.